Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. Not a whole lot going on in the tropics. We were talking about this one area yesterday. This is that broad area of low pressure, very disorganized. The other thing is some very strong upper level winds, which are going over this area. And at this point, it just doesn't look like that's going to change a whole lot. As this continues to work its way to the north, it'll get this little narrow pocket where the winds will lessen a little bit, becoming maybe ever so slightly marginally favorable for some development. But really, it's a really small chance that this actually has a chance of actually doing anything. And that's why you see over the next, say, 7 days, putting only about that 10% chance that we actually see anything develop with this. So you look at those upper level winds and you can see exactly what's going on. You've got that south and southwesterly wind right over the top of this. Very strong winds across the western Atlantic as well. And then as we move out into the Caribbean, you see strong winds. You see strong winds across a good portion of the Atlantic as well. But in those areas where you would see development, across the, say, the tropical portions of the Atlantic further down to the south, we do have lighter winds. Remember, we saw the water temperatures are warmer in this area, but at this point we just have some weak tropical waves working their way through. And the big reason why is there's a lot of dry air, that Saharan air, that is now starting to work its way off the coast of Africa. And so a lot of these waves are dealing with some of that drier air. So at this point, the conditions they're just not conducive to help develop any of these. They will continue to struggle with that dry air over the next several days. So it looks like for the time being, we stay quiet in the tropics. We'll keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.